Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Let me step aside so you can admire the beauty of this car. 56 Ford Victoria. Look at the lines, the two-tone, the wire wheels, Continental kit. This thing's just drop dead gorgeous. I love this car. And it's a really clean 78,000 mile semi-survivor. It's actually got a one repaint. The interior is supposed to be original, only the bumpers were rechromed, so it's a very original, clean, well-preserved car. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs, study over 100 pictures, and get the price. Not only on this one, but we do have a few hundred collector cars, and they're all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you click on the bell icon, you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But it's my pleasure to take you for a spin in this 56 Ford Victoria. Goldenglow yellow, and I forget the name of the white, but isn't that just gorgeous? Isn't that just 1950s? They don't make cars like that anymore. Starting with the underneath, rock solid. It's got the factory sound deadening undercoats under there. A lot of the front end components do look new. Even the rear springs and shocks, I believe, have been replaced. Has power steering, and it looks like the control valve and hoses have been replaced. It has dual exhaust with the old school Schmitty mufflers, or the narrow blue tubes. You'll hear it in a little bit. The exhaust comes right out through the bumper there. Very cool. It has the ford-o-matic transmission, the automatic trans. And it has its original rear end. I think the ratio was like a 323. So underneath the car is very clean, solid, respectable. They swear the car's never been hit, never been damaged. It's a good, clean body. It was painted one time in 1981. That's how old this paint job is. It shows really well. If you're going to get up close and inspect it, you'll find minor flaws, but I'm telling you, standing here, it looks like a $50,000 paint job. The body is clean and straight. I don't see any issues with the body. This is real metal, let me tell you. And it all fits nicely. It's straight. It's not wavy, no lumps, no issues. This is all nice. Bottom of this door is all smooth. No bubbles or issues down here at all. Now the paint itself, like I said, there's imperfections. I see some real tiny, like crow's feet, those little crackling you get in the older paint job. Some nicks on the edge of the door. There's a little bit of the crow's feet in here. And again, you have to look for it. Your neighbor's not gonna walk over and say, oh, your paint's cracked. They're not gonna see it. Yeah, so it all shows really well. This molding, that nice sweeping molding, is beautiful. It's polished, it's straight, it's emblems sparkling. Door handles and bumpers, they say, are the only things rechromed on the car. This has the Continental kit. Tail lights are all real nice, bumpers beautiful. Has the rear mount antenna, bumper guards. This is a cool antenna. The glass is real nice and clear. Inside there, the speaker tray and the speaker cover is all real nice. All this stainless trim is not beat up. It's shiny, it's straight. The rubber gasket is soft. I can push it with my nail. It has the fender skirts with the little stone shield. It has the wide rocker moldings. A few chips on this door too, on the very edge of it. And there's a couple cracks in the paint. And of course the Kelsey Hayes wire wheels with spinner hubcaps, and it has the reproduction white wall tires on it. Just beautiful. This Thinderbird emblem right here, that means it has the Thinderbird Special motor under the hood. It's the 292 V8 motor. There's a little one dent right there, but this is shiny and straight. The windshield's crystal clear. Hood ornament's beautiful. All the chrome up here is very nice looking. Open the hood. So it's the Thinderbird Special. It's got the thinned valve covers. I'm assuming, I think that's a 4-barrel carb on there. All cleaned up very nicely. Firewall's nice, has hood insulation. The pulleys, the brackets, all looks good. Batteries bolted down. The interior, they claim's original. Carpet, I'm assuming, has been replaced. It's in very nice shape. Look, it's nice and straight, a little stain. Maybe that'll clean up, but it's very good. This is a real Continental kit, and it works very well. You pull the lever, tire swings out of the way, trunk opens up, all this chrome's real nice. Very clean inside, nice clean metal, painted white. It's got a new mat, new rear seat divider. Underneath here is painted. It has a yellow rim with a white wall tire. Tire's never been used, has the nubs on the tread. The jack assembly is there. Again, the upholstery is all very nice. A little bit of patina, but very nice. This has an optional padded dash. It's in mint shape. It's not curled or split. A nice soft padded dash. Beautiful instrument panel. Does have a retro stereo, fit right in the factory location. And there is an owner's manual in the glove box. So I guess it's time that we start her up. Yeah, put these in neutral, these old Fords, to start them. Oh, it just purrs. There's a knob under the dash here. I honestly don't know what it's for. It looks like a power top switch, but obviously this ain't a power top. Try and figure that out. And that's sweet. I'm around old cars, and this one intrigues me. This is just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And wire wheels make any car look good. Those are getting to be very expensive. That just runs nice, nice, nice. There are two like discolored like stains, just two, just a little shade different there. I don't know if something dripped on it or what. I always say get to volocars.com before someone beats you to it. In this case, you better get there before I change my mind and decide to put this one away. Volocars.com. That's where you can get in touch with the salesman. I just gave you my honest impression of this car. If you have specific questions or concerns, feel free to contact the salesman and they'll answer them for you. They will also help with the financing, delivery, paperwork. They'll make that real easy on you. So visit volocars.com to get started. If you just enjoy watching the videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel. You'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.